So if you're looking for income and you're trying to practice the skill set with $100, you've got Apex, which is like a $30, $40 account. You've got Blue Guardian, which I guess is a $39 account. And just trade the micro. So if it says ES, not this one, you be
The
trading on
mini,
MES, the micro.
the micro.
You shouldn't blow that account for the most part. If you're taking 1 to 3 trades, one micro at a time, you in theory should not be blowing that account.
No, I blew it when I was on my trip, but then I didn't have the money to replace it. That's why I'm saying I'm trying to save up, because I spent too much money while I was traveling.
Well, that's a
So,
good problem to have. So I think
yeah, I kind of took my eyes off of it and just said, well, whatever happens, instead of taking some money, or I should have took some of the money, but I didn't. I just kind of let it went, and it went.
oh yeah, it went for sure. It went probably the wrong direction, huh?
Yeah, they took it. I just stayed in the trade and didn't try to even look at it. I just kind of left it alone and just let it do what it wanted to do.
Okay.
It's crazy, but
Well, like, so for me, if it was futures, I'd probably go literally the cheapest evaluations I can find, which is probably Apex or Project X, Blue Guardian. And Project X, the Blue Guardian, is going to be a little bit more of the price action doesn't look as intimidating. It's a little bit slower, a little bit more easily managed platform. Tradeovate, I think, is a very good skill to have, and that's what you're going to use on Apex. But I would pick one of those two because it's a very, very low entry, barrier cost. If I was trying to trade my own personal $100, I'd be putting it in like TradeSmart. That link is trade, and just do a 0.01, literally just a 0.01, and practice the process. Because that's really all we're doing. If more people would do this and just practice the process instead of all the nonsense, I think they might be pleasantly surprised at what's possible. But
Mhm.
a bajillionaire.
I'm just wanting to grow something so I can have something to do other things, or try to trade other ways like you guys are trading. I can't trade, but I can listen and still, I'm going back, reading my notes and stuff from way before you guys started, doing what you're doing now. I just been kind of, you know, hanging out and still trying to learn, but I'm still a little bit behind what you guys are doing. I'm looking and listening, but I'm still a little bit behind everybody, I think.
And that's okay. There's no shame in that. I promise. It's part of the process, but just if you got to start, or if we don't start, like, it's going to be hard and it's going to have a lot of trials and oh my goodness, how in the world am I going to figure this out? But just start somewhere. I don't care which platform or method. If you're using, more along the lines of stocks, okay, you can use something like Robinhood. You need more money, but brokers, if you want to do Forex, use TradeSmart. It's in the link tree to that broker. It's probably one of the better ones right now that are allowing US citizens. So if you're in the Discord, if you go to like recommended brokers and what have you,
Right.
that one's a good one. It was previously LQD, previously Plexi, or there's side arms of such and such and such, but it's still one of the better ones in my opinion. So
So they changed the name again?
yeah, they keep doing it.
So Plexi to what now?
Plexi is now, well, if you already have a Plexi account, you're fine. If you don't already have an account, you probably have to go to TradeSmart.
So they're TradeSmart now.
It's just regulations. They keep.
We'll have to see.
Damn.
All right then. Thank you. I appreciate that.
You are welcome. You are definitely welcome.